Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how I get this slick braided bun look. It is very easy and it's my go-to style when I need to give my hair a little break from excessive styling. Here's everything I use to get this look, so go ahead and grab your supplies and let's get into it. I like to start off with damp hair, so I'm just sectioning my hair into two, making sure that the back is kind of straight, and then I just go ahead and wet it a bit with a spray bottle. And then after that, I like to take a leave-in conditioner just to make sure my hair is nice and moisturized. And then I take a soft hair gel to help smooth my hair. This Miss Jessie's Soft Curls Gel is amazing. I highly recommend it if you haven't tried it before. But I think my hairline is a little bit weird, so I like to part out the very front section of my hair and sit that to the side so I can address its weirdness at a later time. But then I take the other portion of hair and I just like to take a stiffer hair gel and brush it straight back into a slick ponytail. And then once that is nice and smooth to my satisfaction, I can then go ahead and go back and address the front section. To address my weird hairline, I like to brush my hair down and then kind of like swoop it back to make sure it lies nice and flat while also hiding the weird hairline. Make sure you're doing a tension check. You really don't want this to be uncomfortably tight, especially towards the back of your neck. But then I go ahead and repeat the same thing on the other half of my hair. Once that is done and I've double checked to make sure my parts aren't too askew, I like to make sure my ponytails are detangled and then twist them into little buns and just secure them with a hair tie. Alright, then it is time to have some fun and add in my DIY braided hair extensions. I love these because they're cheap to make, you can personalize them and color match them easily to your hair, and they can help you achieve a style that you might not be able to do with your hair alone. I do have a tutorial showing you how I make mine, so definitely check that out, but I just attach them onto my buns and go on my merry way.